Okay, that means you and me, are now at Nilaveli beach, which is a couple of miles north of Nilaveli in eastern Sri Lanka. We are watching the local fishermen performing their task, and they're all working together to pulling out that net. We'll probably have to wait another 30 minutes until the catch comes up. So let's have a closer look how they are doing that. Again. Morning. Well, there's a second row of people who are working that net to get it off the water. Oh, that's quite interesting that they don't mix up that bloody net and what the fishermen call teamwork. It looks a little bit confusing to me. But those fishermen for sure know what they are doing. We are coming to an end. Now the holding becomes more difficult for them. Even the ladies are helping. Even the ladies are working hard. Hello, morning. Well, that's quite amazing how that teamwork really goes. Hello. So, let's see how big that catch was. As you can see, there's not only fish in that net, but a lot of plastic rubbish as well. Fish and plastic. That's a real catch. Isn't that bad? That they have to collect the fish out of the rubbish. All those people working for only a bit of fish. Well, that's very sad. The catch of plastic was better than the catch of fish. Well, at least anyone should learn a lesson out of that, to ban plastic worldwide. Not only we tourists are suffering from that because they are spoiling the beaches, but those fishermen are affected much more than we are. See how many people are working on that case just to get a bit of fish out of the ocean. And yeah, that's really sad. Well, there's another problem. They're just leaving that plastic rubbish just on the beach. They don't care to collect that rubbish, and the next flood will take that rubbish back to the ocean again, and next day they are fishing the same plastic rubbish again. Well, I don't have an answer on that.